What's going on, everybody? It's been a little while, but have a hanger pack of 2020-2021 Donruss basketball. I'm gonna have some Heritage Mega Box coming in the next video. Oh, and I also have a 2021 Legacy Hobby Box, so actually that might be the next video. That might actually be the next video, but that is on the way. It's going to be all the 2021 rookies still in their college uniforms, of course. Joel Embiid, football, obviously. Damian Lillard, Shake Milton, Jackson Hayes, Jonas, Josh Jackson, Ricky Rubio, Terrence Ross, Kristaps, Hassan Whiteside, Bagley III, Goran, Andre Drummond. Yeah, I apologize. I don't do basketball very much, everybody. Kevin Porter Jr., Rudy Gobert, Eric Bledsoe, Al Horford, Jay Crowder, Troy Brown Jr., Thomas Bryant. Franchise features Pascal. There we go, James Wiseman. Great expectations. Dwayne Bacon. That's going to be our green and yellow laser. And sweet, we already got a LaMelo Ball rated rookie. So very nice. Cassius Stanley. Timius Ramsey. Jordan and Theo Malda. That's going to do it for basketball pack. I have 2020 Prism basketball still. That's a possibility to be opened. We'll just have to see when. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry I haven't uploaded in about a week. Enjoy your start of summer, and thank you for watching.